Hello friends, I'm Miss Kitty. Welcome back to Kitty Teaches to Read. Today we will learn about the digraph SH. Let's start. A digraph is when two letters make one sound. We know letter S sounds S and letter H sounds H, but when they come together, they create a unique new sound. The letters SH sound sh, as in shh. Be quiet, let's practice. Shh, shh, shh. The sound SH can be at the beginning of a word, like in the word shell. Shh, shh, shell. The sound SH can also be in the middle of a word, as in sushi. Can you hear it? Sushi. Shh, shh, sushi. The sound SH can also be at the end of a word, as in fish. Shh, shh, fish. Now, let's practice and learn more words with the sound SH. Shark. Shh, shh, shark. Ship. Ship. Shoe. Sh, sh, shoe. Cash. Sh, sh, cash. Trash. Sh, sh, trash. And now our last word, shrimp. Sh, sh, shrimp. If you want to see more of Miss Kitty's videos, subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Have a good day. Goodbye, friends.